Hello, guys. Welcome to my page. This is Agyenkwa Forex Academy, and this is where we learn and then we do analysis on gold, and I've added BTC to it, and I also give signals occasionally. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I have some nuggets I want to share with you. And so today, being Wednesday, we just entered to Thursday. I've seen that gold has created a new high. This our current high gold is at right now. And then these are various levels I've marked that we should expect gold to come to. All right. So gold has broken this level, which means has created a new high here. And there's this other level here, came down, it didn't tap into this level, and then it pushed back up again. So we have this supports, and then these are support. And then when it came to this high, came down, because this is another support here, because gold created a high here, which means break of structure. So it came and then tapped into this support, price came, inducement, and then what I am expecting is for price to tap maybe into this level, and then we see a movement to the upside and then break this level. So that's what I am expecting price to do at this very point. But if price refuses to do that, then we'll be looking at a drop. So let's go to the daily quickly. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame. I like okay, so on the daily time frame, we are seeing a huge bullish momentum. Okay, so this is our current daily support, and I mean previous daily support and previous daily resistance. And let's mark our new high. This is our new high. Okay, establishing the fact that gold is bullish. So this is our new high. Gold came here and then price, and then sellers pushed it down. Then our next candle went bullish, went up, hasn't created a new high and has closed. Then we have this candle here. Let's go to 4 hour. On our 4 hour time frame, we see this support here. So if I want to trade, I will wait for price to come to this support. Then I buy from here. That's what I would do. So I'll wait for price to come to this support, and then I'll give it a little room. This is 4 hours, so it's quite, our risk reward will be quite huge. So let's go to 1 hour. On the 1 hour time frame, so this is what we are seeing. So on our 1 hour time frame, this is our support, this is our resistance, this the new high gold has created a new resistance. So price, we are waiting for price. We would want price to come to this support level again, react here again, and then to the upside. So this is what I'll be looking out for gold, because we see a consolidation happening here. Price is falling, lower lows, lower highs. So we wait and then we see what will happen. And for BTC, so for BTC, I gave a signal earlier today, and price was supposed to tap into a certain support level, but then price didn't. So we missed that trade. So let's go to the dailies quickly, and then reanalyze BTC to see what to look out for. Now BTC is so clear, all right? It's so clear that it's bullish, and this movement here explains it all. It's shows you that price came to liquidate all these buyers here to clear this imbalance. And then we see this head and shoulder vibe here, which shows that BTC is going to push up. Now, if we mark this current daily highs and lows, previous daily highs and lows, these daily candles, we see a strong bullish candle to the upside. And then let's go to for on the 4 hour time frame, we can clearly see that BTC is moving upward. So, if anything at all, I would mark this 4 hour order block. This is the last candle before price shot up with a bullish momentum. So let's go to 1 hour, which will help us see that level clearer. Okay, so one on the 1 hour time frame, we can clearly see that this level it's a good place to catch buy to continue the momentum. So one can decide to put their buy limit here. So this is what I'll be looking at. So price coming here and then coming. So for BTC, this is what I'll be looking out for. Well, I hope you learned something. So what I wanted to say was when you are a trader, and I've made some mistakes trading and trading for people. And the thing is, anything is possible when you are trading Forex. You can make 10 times, you can make 200%, 100%, 300% in a day. But if you want to be consistent over a long period of time, you have to calm down. You have to be more realistic on the percentage you make daily or weekly or anything at all. And then over the years, I've traded and I've realized that fast money, you can make fast money, but you can also lose it fast. So, what can help you stay consistent and grounded in this industry is you being able to marginalize your wins and also work with probability. Because I have back tested this so many times and I realized. So on my screen you can see I've posted an account where we funded $1,000 and then in about a week or I think a week and a half or so we made 500% on that $1,000. So it's achievable. But then so the mistake I made was I worked with investors who, because I also wanted to trade, and this is something that happens to most traders. Because we want to trade for people, we give into their desires, we give into their demands. So I was making 10% a week for these investors, and at a point it was working, but in the long run. So everything boils down to, in the long run, is it sustainable? Well, there are days where there are weeks where you decide where you can't find good opportunities in the market. So that was a very bad move because I had started off saying that I wanted to make 10% monthly for investors, but then this investors wanted me to make 10% weekly. And I also gave in because, well, I needed to work. I needed the money. So and it was going well for a while until I started making losses where I was losing back to back and recovery was, And when you start losing back to back, recovering becomes hell. So it was just back and forth. And right now, we are in deep water. So I just want to advise any young upcoming trader out there. If you want to work with investors, stick to your rule book. Don't let investors, because investors want value for their money, and it's a natural thing. We are greedy naturally, so we want more than how many of us can put money in the bank and expect it to grow 100% or 200% in a week or even in a month. Okay, so just think about it. It's an investment, so you have to allow it to grow. So to my young forest traders out there, I want you to learn from this. I want you to know that when you are working with them, give projections that are achievable, but then blow their minds. All right. So until we meet again, stay safe. May the odds forever be in our favor. Remember, Agyenkwa.